This is the acoustic baritone guitar that I built for myself from Reclaimed Closet Doors. Do you want to hear it? I really like this instrument. I like the register it puts me in, and I can't stop playing it. And you can see I'm already starting to get some wear and tear on the frets where I had to adjust my mistake on the position markers, and I didn't really put finish on there. It's okay though, it's for me. Check out the video links here and in the description if you want to see more about how and why I built this instrument, as well as all the other instruments that I make from Reclaimed Closet Doors and Reclaimed Wood. Kind of figure out why I do it. I built this instrument to help me rethink the way I create music, and in some ways that really worked, as this first song you're about to hear has some things about it that are very, very different than the way I've written songs in the past. But then there's also some things about the way I wrote songs that are pretty much the way I kind of always have. But I do want to give a quick content warning. The subject matter is about addiction, and so if you or someone you love is struggling with addiction, there is help out there. You can call the National Addiction Hotline, which is 1-800-662-4357 anywhere in the United States, and there's also 211 all over the United States. That's a quick, easy number to remember that if you're in crisis, they can probably help you. So without further ado, let's hear the song. September 1669, drunk and disorderly was this man's crime. And he bore the same last name as my son and mine. Grandpa researched this genealogy long before the web or 23andMe. While hidden in his desk was a bottle of whiskey. The apple sure don't fall far from the hard cider tree. Childhood memories I hold. I looked up to my dad, where he went I followed. Go out of the town, and he'd crack a cold one for the road. By the time I was grown, my dad had it beat. He quit the bottom cold turkey, man, he never did cheat. But by now I kept one under my driver's seat. The apple sure don't fall far from the hard cider tree. Johnny Appleseed planted all those trees to make booze and claim land in perpetuity. About as an American a dream as any dream can be. Now 4 liquor stores are within a mile of my home. This year's Super Bowl is in the Budweiser Dome. And if it keeps you down, just know you're not alone. For centuries spent 20 years working bars in a band. I was the life of the party with a drink in my hand. I told myself it was the job, not this man. Sober now, 5 years I'm free. I'm trying to set a good example for that boy that follows me. But he's a stubborn young man. It's in his ancestry. I sure hope that apple falls far away from the hard cider tree. From this hard cider tree. Thanks for listening, and be sure to check out the other song I just posted on the nylon string guitar that I made in conjunction with this guitar. That one right there. Now, neither of these guitars are for sale at newperspectivesmusic.com, but I do have other guitars that are for sale there that you're more than welcome to go check out, and I mostly make commission builds, so you can contact me through that website if you want me to build something for you, like this or different. I also made both of these songs available for download over at newperspectivesmusic.com for $1 each. So if you're of the means and you want to support my work, that's a great way you can do it, and I would really appreciate it. You can also support my work over on patreon.com/TimSway, and everybody over there already got these songs. But more importantly, I want you to stay safe, be well, and if you need help, get it. You're not alone. Thanks, and be good.